Hello everyone, it's time for my first video, which is part of a series that I am planning to make about my moving to India from the Netherlands. Hi, I'm Nora, 35 years old, moved to India in 2023, and this is my story of finding home in India. Let's start in 1993. I was 4 years old, the second child in a warm Dutch family. Life was like a field of Dutch colorful tulips, with friends on every corner, vacations by the sea, and long rides through Europe. My life has been full of opportunities, and I did what many of us do. I just followed the path. I got my master's degree, landed a job at a prestigious university, and from the outside it looked like I had it all. But from the inside, I felt this quiet longing, a sense that something was missing. So I moved, again and again. An internship in Spain, another in Germany, a job in Sweden, then China for a big career change. But I never really felt that sense of home. So I went back to the Netherlands until 2023. Hello everyone, it's time for my first video, which is part of a series that I am planning to make about my moving to India from the Netherlands. I'm now on the airplane. We just boarded. My bike is also on board, my bicycle, the True Dutchie. I brought it with me, so I hope it arrives in one piece. So yeah, fingers crossed. As you probably guessed, I'm in a little bit of a culture shock. Back at the Shangri-La, where all the trade mission events were happening with the Prime Minister, but he left yesterday. Like, my experience so far in India, I mean, I've been to India many times, but this time I have to arrange everything myself. Like, I don't have a university to help me, or like friends that I'm traveling with from here, and I noticed that things take a lot of time. Like, everything takes like 10 times as long, so you can just do less things a day. You cannot be as productive as in the Netherlands, so that's something to adjust to. I still have a couple of months. I mean, I'm only here for a week now.
4.5 kg per plant, that is recommended by the seed company. So this is our cocoa peat.
It's already Thursday, which means I'm in India now for over a week. It's my 8th day. Or actually, I arrived on Thursday morning, so I'm exactly here for a week actually. So yeah, a lot happened. Today is the last day of the Dutch trade mission in India. So far we've been to Bangalore, Pune, and then the last destination is Mumbai, where we are now. So I'm staying in the south of Mumbai, where there's a lot of old British architecture. So if I get the chance, I will also film a little bit of that. But if I don't get the chance, then I'm sure that I can do it another time, because I'm gonna live in Pune, which is like a 4-hour drive from here. A lot of exciting things. I will keep you posted. Now I have to go downstairs. We're gonna have a networking lunch. And learn more about how to do business in Maharashtra. So yeah, so very exciting. I will get back to you soon. To tell you the full story, my grandparents already lived in Bombay in the 80s, and I came to study here in 2019. That same year I learned how to ride motorcycles, and I completely fell in love with riding in India. But what really keeps me here is something different. It's a sense of connection, the instant capability of making new friendships every day. And the story is about to get better, because besides falling in love with India, I also fell in love with a Pune girl called Shrawan. A happy-go-lucky guy that is even more passionate than I am about riding. But we'll tell you more about that in the next video. For now, the story ends here. In 2023, I felt something shift. I discovered a different kind of freedom here in India. The freedom to feel a little lost and still feel at home. So that was it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I really hope that you like my story of moving to India. In the next video, we're going to explain you more about freewheelers, the story behind it, and our very first series in our home state of Maharashtra. So if you liked it, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and then we'll see you in the next video.